Now let's write a different kind of logical programming. I've named the file choice.py. Program first ask the user to enter a choice. Please tell me what do you want to buy. And I'm using a special character that is called /n, that will create a new line after this text. Uh, these /n's are used to create new lines. Slashes are also used to when you want to uh, write a double quote inside a text. You need to use the slash sign. So in the middle of the string, if you need a double quote, then you need a slash beside it. But in this program, we don't need it. And user will enter 1 for laptop, 2 for smartphone, and 3 for books. Now here is a if condition. If user choice is equals 1, then program will say that let's go to shopping and buy a laptop. There is a else if elif keyword in Python, which means else if. We can add more conditions using this keyword. If user choice is 3, When user enters 1, it will say this. When a user enters 2, it says this, and when user enters 3, it says these two lines, and when user enters any other number or characters, it says this line. I don't understand your requirement. Now let's run and see what's the program output. Here you see, please tell me what you want to, what do you want to buy, and you see the one laptop is printed of in after a new line. So this /n is used to create a new line, and then a new line smartphone 3 books. I need to stop the program because I have missed one thing. That is, I need a /n at the end of the end of this. So I will run again. I have run the program again and see. Please tell me what do you want to buy. One laptop, two smartphone, and 3 books. I am pressing 1 and pressing enter. It's saying that let's go to shopping and buy a laptop. Now I am running the program again. I am entering 2, and it says let's go to shopping and buy a smartphone. Then I am running again. I am entering 3. It says that I see you are a book lover. Let's go to buy it. Then I am running the program again and typing 4. It says I don't understand your requirement. So this program takes the user input and prints different output based on the user input. Now we'll create another program that will calculate grade, university grading system. Using university grading system, user will enter a number between 0 and 100, and it will show grade A, B, C, D, or F. I've created a new file for the program. Total marks text. It's a variable. It's saying to enter total marks. Now I need to convert this string to an integer. Now total marks is in as integer. First grade is the F grade, which is between 0 and 55. So if total marks greater than or equals to 0, so it cannot be a negative number, so it should be greater than or equals to 0, and total marks less than 55. So there is a less than sign or less than equal sign, both can be used. Currently we need numbers less than 55, no, but not equals to 55. So we are writing like this: print, that is the grade, F grade. The total marks, we can write greater than sign, and we can write greater than equals to sign. Both will work. Uh, Greater than is only, greater than means it's greater than but not equals, but greater than equals mean it's greater or equal. We can use and or in the conditions. In this scenario we need and condition. Else if total marks less than 65. 65. E. Else if elif total marks less than 75. Which C. Else if total marks less than 90. It's B. Else if uh, I need to rewrite some logic because I am rewriting the logic. Well, if total marks less than 0, first I am handling this scenario. If total marks less than 0, less not greater than less than 0, then I am printing negative number. Then if it's less than 55, I'm printing F. If it's less than 65, I'm printing D. If it's less than 75, I'm printing C. If it's less than 90, I'm printing B. If it's less than or equals to 100, then I'm printing A grade. Else if or else, just else, printing invalid marks. When it's greater than 100, I am printing invalid marks. So now I am running the program. I have entered total marks 33. It says F grade. Now I am running it again. I'm entered 56. It says D grade. Running again. I'm entering 72. It says C grade. Now I'm entering 89. It says B grade. Now I'm entering 99. It says A grade. And if I enter -10, for example, a wrong marks, it says it's a negative number. If I enter 120, it says invalid marks. So this is the basic logical operations. Uh, Logical operations can have multiple logics, like if total marks equals to 97, or total marks equals to 92, we can have a logic like two logics with OR condition. Print 97 or 92. Now I am to comment out some code. We can use hash. I am going to comment out those codes. Now these codes are commented out. It will not be treated as programming code, it will be treated as general texts, so it will not run. Those will not run. Comments are generally used to for documentation purpose, like documenting some codes what it's doing. Now I have commented these codes to show you different thing, that we will now do this logic. Now I am going to run the program. It says please enter total marks. If I say 96, then it says nothing. If I say 97, it says 97 or 92. And if I run again, if I say 92, it says 97 or 92. So it's able to detect two conditions. One condition is this and another condition is this. Now we can also uh, use a not operation in any expression, like this is a not operation. If this expression is true, then not will make this as false. If this expression is false, then not will negate it and make it true. Not 97. 97. Now I will test this logic. If total marks equals to 97, not. If not, total marks equals to 97. Now I am running the program. I am typing 96. It says not 97. And I am typing 100. It says not 97. Now I am typing 97. When it's 97, it in inner condition total marks equals to 97 is true, but when it's not is applied to this operation, it becomes false. So this print is not does not execute. So when we write 97, it doesn't print anything.